Hi, I'm Shreenya. Welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making avocado corn salad. The ingredients you'll need is cheese, corn, and avocados, half teaspoon chili powder. You can add less or more depending on your spice, salt, lemon, some butter to fry the corn. Let's fry the corn. Add some butter in the pan. Here is our corn fried with butter. If you'd like, you can add vegetables like onion, tomato, but I don't want vegetables. I like it plain, so I'm going to put the corn into the bowl. Add in the avocados. Add in as much as cheese you would like. After you added the cheese in, add in the salt. Add in the chili powder. Mix it. Mix until all the spices are mixed together evenly. Last but not least, add in the lemon. So this is in half lemon, so I'm going to squeeze it all. Mix it. Top it off with cheese. Time to taste our yummy, delicious avocado and corn salad. This is so yummy and healthy. I hope you try this. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.